1. Introduction. In this video, we are going to talk about the topics of food waste and how to use organic waste to help the environment will be addressed. 2. There is a difference between waste, garbage, and residue. Below, we will see what those differences are. 1. Garbage. This is the name given to the mixed ones, that is plastic, paper, cardboard, glasses and food scraps, which are mixed together and the separation is difficult. 2. Disposal. It is about what is left after having chosen the best and most useful of something. The first impression that waste generates is that it is useless. However, it is perfectly usable. For example, waste generated by industrial productions, sawmills, and garment workshops, such as aluminium, sawdust fabric scraps. 3. Waste. It is the product that has already been used and it's no longer useful, as it was used to its full potential. Nevertheless, it is the part that remains of a wall after its consumption. For example, burned oil from a car. Before quarantine time, the school gave us around 650 lunches and 617 breakfasts. This was depending on the age, for example, type 1, type 2, and type 3 of students. The question here is how much food was wasted in our school? Depending on this number, the student wastes between 12 and 20 kilograms of lunch per day, and between 5 and 7 breakfasts per day. This is a crazy number. Counting how much food it wastes per week or month, it's a huge problem in our school. Why do we waste food? There are several factors why food is wasted in school. Contents, the main ones are the following tastes in food, bad habits from home, or too much portion of food. How can organic waste be used? There are several ways we could take advantage of this organic food waste. Compost. Compost is that material that can be assimilated as food by plants. There are basically two options: organic matter and chemical fertilizer. Organic waste can also serve as food for various species of animals. Importance of not wasting food. It is known that all over the world there is a great problem due to the famine suffered by most countries. Perhaps if we become aware and learn to use food waste to the maximum, this cup could go down a bit. At this moment, we are getting 314 refreshment in morning and 375 refreshment in the afternoon. Inclusive, in a lot of trash can, we saw a lot of this refreshment into. The next year, everybody's going to return to get breakfast and lunch. So, with this video, we want to make aware about the importance to save the resource, because we need it. And if you don't want this food, don't eat. And let to the other person who is going to appreciate these resources do it, but don't waste the food anymore. Thank you everybody for listening, watch and pay attention to this video. To my partners and I, it's so important to talk about this problem that is growing up into our school. We want and we wait that you will make aware about this. We are Santiago Guerrero, Geraldine Ramirez, and Who Talks, Daniel Duarte, from 11th grade. Thanks and see you another time.